Hey y'all, a lot of great things have been happening for your girl, but also with that comes busyness and some stress. So my skin been acting up, body been acting up. It's time to detox. And one of my sorors wrote me and asked me to do a video on how I'm realistically detoxing and make it quick. So here's a video for you guys. Make sure that you check the links for all items that I'm using today. And don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Let's get into it. My biggest detox flex is a smoothie, so I'm definitely going to be doing that with my almond milk as well as blueberries and spinach and some matcha green tea, which is full of antioxidants, which helps with cleansing and detoxifying the body, as well as a few other things like probiotics and vitamin C, so that I'm able to cleanse my body properly. Once I mix all that down, y'all, I'm good to go. This smoothie gives me energy, helps me to feel almost instantly better, like it is feeding my cells right from within. And I also detox by making sure I've handled all business before I get into my little routine. And as far as my self-care goes, this time with detoxing, I'm watching my skin, my hair, my body, and I'm gonna need to pull out some of my heavy hitters, including my Pure Daily Care diffuser, and I'm using my orange oils to give me a little bit more of a citrus vibe. This one has a Himalayan salt area, which really helps with cleansing and purifying the air, which I need right now because I've had a few breakouts on my face, which ain't normal for me, and my hair ain't popping right because I have all these products in there. So I'm cleansing everything around me. So that's a part of the detox. So as soon as I hop into the shower, I'm trying to make sure that I'm focused on that scalp. So I'm using my Diva Curl Buildup Buster. As far as shampoo goes, this is one of my favorites right now. It's a non-stripping cleanser with micellar water, so it gets right to that scalp and cleanses it off and gets all that nasty buildup and all of that product buildup. And y'all, my hair feels so clean without having that squeaky feeling, if you will, but my scalp feels clean to the core. And I'm gonna go in with their Curl Bond by Diva Curl as well. I'm loving this conditioner because it just makes my hair feel fat. Once I put it on, it feels so moisturized, but it also still feels clean without being weighed down. That conditioner is just like none other, and my hair is like butter. I'm able to get through it with my brush with the best brush, and my hair looks so good. And I'm not even done. I'm gonna go in with that Curl Bond mask treatment as well. This is a repair and bond treatment, which also leaves my hair feeling so soft and so moisturized. So I'm gonna leave it on for a while, and while I wait, I'm gonna use my detox soap. It's a new soap that I found on Amazon, y'all, and I have fallen in love. It makes me feel clean without feeling stripped. And I'm gonna go in with that Pacifica charcoal underarm detox. Y'all, I promise I can go to bed without deodorant on and I still smell really good. This truly helps with cleansing out those pits, and it doesn't irritate me at all. And I'm loving my Himalayan pink salt by M3. It's been working really well across my skin to purify, detox, cleanse out the pores, also to make sure that my body takes in the products, the benefits of my products better. I use that from my head to my toes whenever I'm feeling the need to cleanse even deeper. And now I can rinse my hair off. As you can see, my hair just looks a bit different, more moisturized, also just more soothed. The bonds feel better as well. And I'm going to use my Diva Twist towel, which has a little button at the end. Y'all, it's so convenient, and it does not snag my hair. And I'm just going to go in and make sure that I've cleansed again with that detox soap after I've washed my hair, so I have no residue or build up across my body. Full detox, that's what we're going for, that full body detox. After those steps, I feel so relaxed, and now I'm going to go in with my KP smoothing body lotion, which has 10% alpha hydroxy acid, which means it's going to help to resurface my skin. It helps me to feel even more pure and soft. And also I'm going to go in with my Bonadia Intimate oil spray, which also helps with moisturizing and calming the lady bits. Okay, so I'm going to go in with my hair on the It's a 10. I'm going to use that as a leave-in today, and just some gel, Eco Styler gel over that to define my hair a little bit more and put it up for the night. And then I'm going to use the Dermalogica, which is a pre-cleanser that I have gotten from my esthetician. Y'all, I love this stuff. I use it on occasion, especially when my skin is kind of acting up. That's something I've been rotating in. And then my Pure Daily Care steamer. Y'all, this thing has a towel warmer. It also has a humidifier. It's everything. And the Dermalogica microfoliant daily microfoliant, y'all. Well, if you don't try nothing else, this is everything. It does not irritate my skin, but it exfoliates like none other. And I don't have much hair removal for you today, but I am using my Hydro Silk little purple thing y'all always ask about, which is linked down below, and that's going to help to get rid of any mustache or under chin hair that's going on. And I'm using my Detox Dead Sea mineral eye patches as well as my lip cleanser and scrub. Y'all, I found this on Amazon late at night, and it has really helped my lips to feel softer. And with my added gold lip mask, it helps my lips to feel even more hydrated as well. I just rub in the excess from that in order for my skin to get the benefits and to detox, and add my Laneige to my lips for my overnight care. And I'm going in with that Dermalogica melting moisturizing mask, which helps my skin get all of that stuff back that it needs. My skin feels 10 times better already. Now, y'all know I love to eat, but when I'm detoxifying, I want to make sure I'm getting good nutrients in, and HelloFresh has helped me with that all the way, and they're partnering with me to bring you all today's video. Now, HelloFresh has been the perfect way to stay in and prepare lovely nights in with me and Sean. But not only is a home cooked meal the ultimate way to say I love you, they have even more versions now that even come with vanilla cheesecake, which I'm not having tonight. But I love that they help me to stay on track with simple recipes, fresh pre-portioned ingredients, and help limit meal prep time and cut back on the trips to the grocery store. I also love that they have the calorie and carb smart recipes so I can indulge in delicious meals without the worries. And besides that, the food is always good. It's easy to make, and it saves me time, and it's sustainable. And HelloFresh has more 5-star reviews than any other meal kit out there, so you know you're gonna get something good. And when I'm not feeling like doing the most, this means less prep, less wasted food, and I get to save time because the meals range from 20 to 30 minutes with their quick and easy options. So you can go to HelloFresh.com and use code DrNina16 for up to 16 free meals and 3 surprise gifts. Again, go to HelloFresh.com and use code DrNina16 for up to 16 free meals and 3 surprise gifts. Continuing on in my detox night, I'm going to go in with my Calm Tea, which has vanilla and lavender. And we know lavender is great for helping you to feel more calm, more detoxified. And I'm going to be using my little water boiler that I love and my little tea strainer with a little bit of lemon for added properties of detoxification. And I'm going to make sure I take my probiotics, y'all. Probiotics help to cleanse and keep that gut together. And this tea, on the other hand, helps me to feel cleansed from the inside out. I just feel so relaxed. To add to that feeling, I'm also going to be using my little hot foot tub by Homedics. Love this thing. And I'm going to add in some foot soak. I have the Detox foot soap, which is the same company that makes the Detox body care body wash. And I put that in, and y'all, it just kind of has this nice citrusy scent that's detoxifying. And it talks about how it helps to detoxify from the foot, from the feet below, and making sure that all those things that are rushing through the body come out, all the impurities, all of those basic things. And so I like to sit and just allow my foot tub, which has a little warmer and little bubble jets, to cleanse those feet and really get in there and help my body to detoxify from the inside out. It's one of the best feelings ever, and I feel like when I do this, especially with my feet, I feel better all over. I'm getting the skin to calm down because we don't need all of that, and I'm getting this body to calm down and feel more rested, relaxed, and all of that. I hope y'all have learned a lot from today's video and you have enjoyed it. Make sure that you comment, share this video with someone who can use it, and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, y'all. Beautiful brown baby doll. Peace. Check the links in the description for my free new Dr. Nina's Mentorship Facebook group, which is a group of like-minded individuals looking to progress, grow, and support one another along the way. Thanks so much for all the love and support over on my new website. If you haven't already, go ahead and check it out and join me for new ways to interact with me, giveaways and prizes, weekly emails, as well as my free 8-day supernatural video course, which is free when you sign up.